Hey guys, welcome back. If you've been thinking that Samsung's A series has started to feel a little stale lately, well, get ready to have your mind changed. The Galaxy A37 5G is coming, and it looks like it's about to flip the script entirely. The rumor mill is absolutely buzzing right now. We're hearing that Samsung is dropping a phone that's not just packing flagship level features, but is doing it without burning a hole in your wallet. And the best part, we don't even have to wait for the launch event, because the leaks are already pouring in. And honestly, if these specs are real, this phone is going to be an absolute game changer in the mid-range market. So, if you are hunting for your next daily driver, stick around. We are breaking down every leaked spec, the price, and the launch details right now. Let's dive in. Features of the Galaxy A37 5G. Display and design. First up, let's talk about the thing you're going to be staring at all day, the display. According to the leaks, Samsung is not cutting corners here. We are looking at a massive 6.78-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. And guys, it's not just big, it's fast. We're talking a 120Hz refresh rate, so scrolling through your feed is going to feel buttery smooth. Plus, for durability, it's rocking an IP68 rating, meaning water and dust are no match for this thing. And yes, the fingerprint sensor. It's in display, so you're getting that premium style and security right out of the box. Camera setup. Now, onto the department where Samsung always wins big, the camera. And here, the A37 5G has truly dropped a surprise. It has a triple camera setup on the back, but get a load of these details. Its primary camera is a 50-megapixel shooter, and it comes with OIS. That means shaky hands won't ruin your photos anymore. On top of that, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel periscope lens. If this turns out to be true, this phone will blow away every other phone in its price range when it comes to zoom. And for all you selfie lovers, good news for you too, the front might get a 32-megapixel camera, so your Instagram reels and video calls are about to get crystal clear. Performance and software. Specs on paper are nice, but can it game? The answer looks like a solid yes. Rumors suggest this beast will be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset. If we get this processor, say goodbye to the word lag. Whether you're multitasking or running heavy games, this phone should handle it like a champ. On the software side, Samsung is future-proofing you. The A37 is rumored to launch with Android 16 right out of the box. That means you get the latest features and a super clean experience from day one. Battery and charging. Running all these heavy features requires some serious juice, right? Well, Samsung has bumped up the standard. You're getting a massive 5100 mAh battery. And when you eventually do run out of power, it supports 45-watt super fast charging, so you'll be back up and running in no time. Connectivity-wise, it's sporting the USB Type-C 2.0 port. Price and launch date. Alright, now for the million-dollar question, how much is this going to cost? Leaks suggest that here in the US, we could be looking at a price tag around $400. If Samsung actually delivers these specs at under $400, this phone is going to absolutely disrupt the market. As for the launch date, it's still a bit of a mystery, but the second we get a confirmed date, I'll update you right here on this channel. So, I want to hear from you. Are you going to wait for the Galaxy A37 5G, or do you have your eye on something else? Let me know in the comments below.